What that mean? That means locked in.
Look, I pull strings, my nigga, I do things. You can see my name right at the top of the food chain. I got a problem, I'm a good person. I'ma need to stop giving all these homeless people my loose change. My shorty pregnant, having mood swings. So if my ring turn black, then that's indicating my mood change. If you don't get it, you can look it up. I'm too busy shaking hands with people probably shook of us. A real one with a woman who's all about him, who will go and get it with him. Couldn't get it without him. I did it alone and fired my co-founder. This medicine I'm prescribing can't get it over the counter. For people in the back, I'll say it a little louder. This medicine I'm prescribing, you need a doctor to sign it. I ain't talking nothing you're stuffing up in your sinus. So try it, cause they ain't providing what I'm supplying. Word.
No matter what I'm doing, it ain't never enough. But real niggas always showing that love. Even if I'm never plugged in, I'ma start becoming a plug. Real nigga, I ain't dying to scrub, cause you know that I be locked in. Always found another option. Playing with me, better stop it, cause you know I got it locked in, locked in.
Look, I'm wildin' for respect. If you're challenging the vet, knock them down one by one. Domino effect, yeah. Some people say I disappeared, that is not true. I just stopped fucking with niggas who double cross you. Double back and double it up with people who got you. Loyalty's the only thing it costs you. I'm saying if you're riding with me, then that's one hell of a carpool full of artists who see a target and sharpshoot. I mean setting them goals and not missing. I'm locked in it, all facts, not fiction. 10 years strong and I still got the vision with precision. And God can take it if God give it. I guess I am blessed. Yes, that's a plus. When you mess with Team High, then that's the effect. If not, you can carry on. Don't forget your carry on. I'll be in the end zone getting my Hail Mary on.
No matter
Touchdown.
what I'm doing, it ain't never enough. But real niggas always showing that love. Even if I'm never plugged in, I'ma start becoming a plug. Real nigga, I ain't dying to scrub, cause you know that I be locked in. Always found another option. Playing with me, better stop it, cause you know I got it locked in, locked in.